This video is going to address the importance of seeking medical attention after having been in an automobile accident in St. Petersburg or a motorcycle accident in St. Petersburg. A lot of our clients ask us, do I go to the ER immediately after the accident, or do I wait and perhaps go to an urgent care if it's not too serious? Well, the question really is this: how serious was the impact and the injuries? Obviously, if we have a catastrophic type of impact and injury, that client's going straight to the ER after that car accident or motorcycle accident in St. Pete. They don't have a choice. But in the cases where it's a lower impact, think of a rear-end collision, for example, where the at-fault driver may have bumped into the rear end of somebody, and our client may have had some pain right after the accident, but is well enough to perhaps not immediately go to the ER. In that scenario, we suggest to our clients, go to the urgent care. That way, you don't have to go to the ER, you don't have to run through all the ER nightmare that is the waiting, and oftentimes the bills are a lot higher if you go to the ER versus the urgent care. And so we suggest to our clients, if they can, you go to the urgent care because it's a lot more convenient, number one, and number two, the bills aren't nearly as high as what we have coming out of the ER. However, if there are significant acute injuries as a result of a car accident, think broken foot, broken arm, dislocated shoulder, these types of things, you need to seek immediate medical attention at the emergency room. So do not refuse medical attention at the scene if you have those types of serious injuries. The bottom line, however, is after a car accident, you need to go get checked out. That is the most imperative thing, because oftentimes injuries aren't as obvious as a broken arm or a broken leg or a head injury, but sometimes are less obvious, like a herniated disc or a torn ligament in a shoulder. These items are very, very painful and very important to get checked out immediately, because if you don't go get checked out immediately, the insurance company will attempt to use that delay or gap in treatment against you when you ultimately go down the road and seek recovery for your injuries. If you have any questions about when to seek medical treatment after an automobile accident in St. Petersburg or a motorcycle accident in St. Petersburg, feel free to contact us at the office anytime, any day.